Good morning, all of you. Today, our topic is matrices, singular, non singular, and adjoint of a square matrix. Objectives: know about the singular and non singular matrices. Find the adjoint of a square matrix. Recap: if A is equal 4 minus 2 minus 6 3, then determinant of A. How can we find the determinant? Determinant of A is equal 4 into 3 minus 6 into minus 2, that is equal 12 minus 12 is equal to 0. If A is equal 1 to 1, 3 to 2, 1 1 2, then determinant of A. Determinant of A is equal 1 into 4 minus 2 6 minus 2 plus 1 into 3 minus 2. How to take this one? 1 is the first element of the first row, 2 is the second element of the first row, and 1 is the third element of the first row. So that we have to do this one expanding by first row. 4 minus 2 is equal 2, and minus 2 into 6 minus 2 equal 4, then 2 into 4 minus 8 we get 3 minus 2 equal to 1, 1 into 1 1. So that 2 minus 8 plus 1 equal to 5. If A is equal 1 2 1 3 2 4 1 1 2, then what is the cofactor of the element 3? How can we find a cofactor of the element? Cofactor of 3 is, where is the 3? 3 is available in second row and first column. So that we have to take minus 1 to the power of 2 plus 1. The remaining elements we have to take 2 1 1 2. So that here the corresponding of 3, we have to take the corresponding row and column are neglected. The remaining element we write 2 1 1 2. We get minus 1 to the power of 3 into 4 minus 1, that is equal to what? 4 minus 1 minus 3. In the above matrix, what is the cofactor of the element 4? We observe here, where is the 4? The 4 is available in second row and third column. So that we have to take the cofactor of 4 is minus 1 to the power of 2 plus 3. The remaining 1 2 1 1 is equal, we have to take minus 1 to the power of 5, 1 minus 2 we get minus 1, minus of minus 1 we get 1. How do you find the transpose of the given matrix? By interchanging rows and columns of the matrix. If A is equal 1 4 5 2 2 3 3 1 0, then A transpose. How to find out the transpose? We know that we have to interchange rows and columns. Just we have to interchange rows and columns. Here, how to write the A transpose? 1 2 3 4 2 1 5 3 0. Now we go to the definition of singular matrix. Definition: if the determinant of a square matrix is 0, then it is called singular matrix. We see the example. If A is equal 4 minus 2 minus 6 3, then determinant of A is equal 4 into 3 minus 6 into minus 2, we get 12 minus 12 is equal to 0. Therefore, A is a singular matrix. What is the definition of singular matrix? The determinant of square matrix is 0. Here the value will be 0, so that we say that A is a singular matrix. We see the another example. If A is equal 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, then find out the determinant of A is equal, using the first row expansion, 1 into 45 minus 48. How to write the 45? 5 into 9 45, 8 into 6 48, and we take the element minus 2, and the remaining element 4 into 9 minus 7 into 6 plus 3 into 32 minus 35. We get minus 3 plus 12 minus 9 equal to minus 12 plus 12 is equal to 0. so that A is a singular matrix. Here also the determinant is equal to 0. Now we go to the another definition, non-singular matrix. If the determinant of a square matrix is not 0, then it is called non-singular matrix. We see the example, A equal 4 minus 7 5 minus 3, then determinant of A is equal 4 into minus 3 minus 5 into minus 7 is equal minus 12 plus 35 is equal to 23. Here the 23 is not equal to 0. So that A is a non-singular matrix. What is the definition of non-singular matrix? The determinant of square matrix is not equal to 0. Not 0. Here 23 is not equal to 0. Then we say that A is a non-singular matrix. We see another example also. If A is equal 1 2 1 3 2 2 1 1 2, then determinant of A is equal 1 into 4 minus 2 minus 2 into 6 minus 2 plus 1 into 3 minus 2. We have do the simplification, we get 4 minus 2 2, 6 minus 2 minus 4 and minus 4 into plus 4 into minus 2 we get minus 8 plus 1, that is equal to minus 5. Minus 5 also not equal to 0. Therefore, A is a non-singular matrix. A unit matrix is non-singular since the determinant is 0. Then we go to the another one, adjoint of a square matrix. Before going to the adjoint of square matrix, first we see the cofactor matrix. It is a matrix obtained by replacing the elements of the matrix with their corresponding cofactors. Now we see the adjoint of matrix. The transpose of the cofactor matrix of a matrix A is called the adjoint of the matrix and it is denoted by adjoint of A. Once again we see the cofactor matrix. It is a matrix obtained by replacing the elements of the matrix with their corresponding cofactors. Then after that, adjoint of matrix is simply we have to say that the transpose of the cofactor matrix is called adjoint of a matrix. We see the example, find the adjoint of matrix A 1 2 1 3 2 3 1 1 2. Let A equal 1 2 1 3 2 3 1 1 2. Now we find the cofactors of each element like the cofactor of matrix of A. How can we find here? First we write the cofactor of the element 1. Then here we have observed one is available in first row and first column. So that the remaining elements we have to write 2 3 1 2, that is called cofactor, that is called minor of the elements. Then write here the corresponding row and corresponding column are neglected. We write here 2 into 2 minus 1 into 3. So that we write 4 minus 3. So that the 1 is available in first row and first column. 1 to the power of 1 plus 1, that is we get 1 power 2, that is positive value. So that we take 4 minus 3. The same as it is we have to write in cofactor elements of 2, that is also available in second row, second column and first row. So that we get the minus symbol. The remaining we write 6 minus 3. The third element we have to write 1, that is the first row and third column. 1 plus 3 4, that is the positive value. The remaining 3 into 1 3 minus 1 into 2 2. So the remaining all elements we find out the cofactors. We get minus of 4 minus 1 and 2 minus 1, minus of 1 minus 2, 6 minus 2, minus of 3 minus 3, 2 minus 6. That is equal, we get 1 minus 3 1 minus 3 1 1 4 0 minus 4. Now we write the adjoint of A. How to write the adjoint of A? The transpose of a cofactor matrix. Here transpose means just we have to interchange rows and columns. Then we get adjoint of A is equal 1 minus 3 4 minus 3 1 0 1 1 minus 4. We see the another example 2. find the adjoint of the matrix A equal 1 2 minus 2 minus 1 3 0 0 minus 2 1 cofactor matrix of E. How to write this one? 3 minus 0 minus of minus 1 minus 0 plus 2 minus 0 minus symbol we have to take 2 minus 4 plus symbol we have to take 1 minus 0 minus symbol we have to take minus 2 minus 0 plus symbol we have to take 0 plus 6 minus symbol we have to take 0 minus 2 plus symbol and 3 plus 2. We get 3 1 2 2 1 2 6 2 5. Now we write adjoint of A. How to write adjoint of A? Just we write cofactor matrix transpose. We write here what is the value? 3 2 6 1 1 2 2 2 5. We go to the example 3. If A is equal to minus 1 4 x 0 1 1 2 0 is a singular matrix, find the value of x. How to find the value of x? We have to write here given A is equal to minus 1 4 x 0 1 1 2 0. Since A is a singular matrix, the determinant is equal to 0. The directly we have to write determinant is 0. Therefore, 2 minus 1 4 x 0 1 1 2 1 is equal to 0. Then write the simplification expanding by the first row. 2 we have to take 2, the corresponding row and column are neglected. Then we have to multiply 0 into 0 minus 2 into 1 2 plus 1 and 0 minus 1 plus 4 2 into x minus 0 is equal to 0. We get minus 4 minus 1 plus 8x is equal to 0. We get minus 5 plus 8x equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal, how to write here? 5 by 8. Note, if A is a order of 3 by 3, then adjoint of Ka is equal K square adjoint of A, where K is a scalar. If A and B are two non-singular matrices of the same order, then adjoint of AB equal adjoint of B into adjoint of A. We have to go to the direct summary. Singular matrix, we have to discuss about singular matrix, non-singular matrix, adjoint of the square matrix. Quiz. Which one of the following is a non-singular matrix? A 0 0 0 0 all zeros. B is 1 0 identity matrix. Third one 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. D is none of this. What is the value of non-singular? 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. The next one, if A equal A 0 0 0 B 0 0 0 C, then adjoint of A. A is given A 0 0 0 B 0 B 0 0 0 C. B is 1 by A 0 0 0 1 by B 0 0 0 1 by C. C is BC 0 0 0 AC 0 0 0 AB. D is none of this. And what is the value? BC 0 0 0 AC 0 0 AB. Just we find out the adjoint of A. How can we find the adjoint of A? Cofactor matrix transpose. So before write the transpose, we find out the each element of the cofactors. If 3 is in order 3 by 3 and K is any scalar, then adjoint of K equal option 1 K into adjoint of A, B is K square into adjoint of A, C is K cube into adjoint of A, D is none of this. What is the answer? K square into adjoint of A. We go to the assignment. If A is equal 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 x is a singular matrix, find the value of x. How can we find the value of x? Singular matrix means determinant is equal to 0. Then we get the expanding by first row, we find out the value of x. The second one is find the adjoint of the matrix A equal 0 8 2 3 9 5 6 0 6. How can we find the adjoint of matrix? Here we find out the cofactor matrix and write the cofactor elements. Then after the transpose of the cofactor matrix, and finally we get the adjoint of the matrices. Thank you. Thank you for all.